Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to sign up or create an account in Bereal, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app. Once you open your Bereal app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your mobile phone number and tap on send verification text. After you do so, you will get a verification code in your phone number which you need to type in and hit the next button. So once this step is completed, now you need to allow access to your contacts to Bereal and simply skip this step as per your choice. So once you skip it on, you will be entered in your Bereal account, and this is how you have now been signed up or created your Bereal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.